A professional athlete's agent promises to use the agent's best efforts to accomplish the athlete's goals. Is that enough? The Seventh Circuit reviewed a penalty called on an agent in Zinn versus Parrish. The National Football League Cincinnati Bengals drafted cornerback Lemar Parrish for the 1971 season. Parrish hired Leo Zinn as his agent. Zinn was to negotiate Parrish's contract with the Bengals for the 1971 season in exchange for 10% of Parrish's salary. Their contract required Zinn to use, quote, reasonable efforts, unquote, to obtain professional football employment, negotiate contracts, advise Parrish about business investments, secure professional tax advice, and obtain endorsement deals. Zinn was also obligated to seek off-season employment for Parrish. The contract was for a year, but would automatically renew from year to year unless either party terminated with 30 days written notice. Zinn negotiated annual salary increases for 3 years. At the end of the 73-74 season, Zinn briefly negotiated on Parrish's behalf with the Jacksonville Sharks of the newly formed World Football League and with the Canadian Football League. But Zinn determined that the Sharks weren't financially secure, and the Canadian negotiation went for naught. The Bengals, aware that both rival leagues were trying to lure away NFL players, signed Parrish to a 4-year contract for significantly more money starting in 1974. Zinn was right about the Sharks. The World Football League and its teams folded in 1975. Zinn didn't try to negotiate with other NFL teams because league rules prohibited players from negotiating with other NFL teams until the player became a free agent. And Parrish wasn't a free agent. Zinn helped Parrish buy an apartment building for rental income. Zinn managed the building. Zinn also negotiated an endorsement deal for the sale of Lemar Parrish merchandise and tried, unsuccessfully, to negotiate other endorsement deals from other suppliers. Zinn also wasn't able to obtain off-season employment for Parrish. Zinn had Parrish's taxes done by H&R Block. Parrish later acknowledged that Zinn tried to do everything that Parrish asked him to do. Shortly after signing the 4-year contract in '74, Parrish fired Zinn during a telephone call. Parrish later followed up with a letter informing Zinn that Parrish wouldn't pay Zinn's 10% commission on the 4-year contract. Parrish claimed that Zinn should have obtained offers from the Sharks and Canadian teams that would have enabled Parrish to demand even more money from the Bengals. Zinn sued Parrish in federal court for breach of contract. The district court determined that Zinn failed to perform pursuant to their contract because Zinn didn't arrange off-season employment, didn't offer substantial investment advice, and arranged only superficial tax consultation. The court granted judgment to Parrish and Zinn appealed to the Seventh Circuit.